An error analysis can help students reflect and look at their mistakes that they've made on an exit ticket or quiz. And this can be really helpful for students to kind of correct their own mistakes and to kind of look over and see what they missed. So, on this first slide, students are going to put the name of the exit ticket or quiz that they completed. Then they're going to put the date of the original exit ticket or their quiz. After they do that, students are going to follow these 3 steps. The first step is they're going to take a screenshot of the work that they did. After they take that screenshot, they are then going to use these symbols over here, and they are going to place maybe a circle over something that they missed. Maybe they were supposed to add instead of subtract. They're going to show all of those different mistakes. If they need to make more, they're going to use Control D to duplicate any of these symbols. After students kind of show what they've missed, they are then going to explain their errors. What did they do wrong and how will they correct this? So again, students are going to go in, look at what they did and how they're going to correct these errors. After they do that on a piece of paper, they're going to write out the correction and rework the question. After they have that correct answer, they're going to type it in this box and upload their final screenshot with the correct work. Again, having an error analysis is allowing students to go through these 3 steps to kind of see what do I know about this topic and what might I do to correct these different errors. Right here, where they're on this first slide down in the speaker notes, maybe you want to use a Google form. So with a Google form, you'll make a copy. And then once you make a copy of this Google form, you can have the students put the name of the exit ticket, and then they can decide how many error analysis they might need. So they're going to, same steps, but this time they're just going to type. You could also have your students, if they install the Mote extension, they could use that extension as well. But right here, they could use Mote and they could speak their answer, or they can type their responses in here as well. And then they can decide, do I need to complete another or do I not? If they click yes, it's going to take them to another form that looks just like this one, and it's going to say error analysis number 2. If they do not need to and they only missed one question, they're going to hit no and they'll submit the form. So just 2 different ways that you could have your students do this, but it's just a really great practice to have students reflect and think about their errors instead of you just giving them a grade or you just correcting it for them. It makes the students go back and have that ownership in their own learning.